See, nothing is visible in it. Similarly, in this we have to do that. All are visible here. One more change we need to do so that an article will be visible. No? Now, see, it's visible here. We have to open analytical model here. In this, we are going to visibility graphics and off these all and open the analytical model category from here. Okay, in analytical model. In this is off now. You can uncheck this one. Show model category new, and analytical model should be on. Okay, clear? First, you need to create a duplicate view, and then you can change the name, and then change the visibility graphics. I'm not viewing that particular model categories. We are seeing in this analytical model. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. This is how we can create our analytical levels with model. Now, we're going to use our analytical model in 3D. Here it is. Okay. Now, suppose we need to create here supports in the bottom. Okay. And then load combination. So for that, you need to go to Analyze tab. Here we have, first of all, boundary condition means supports. We need to provide here supports. Click on it. And now see, by default, we have here fixed, pinned, roller, and user support. What is mean by fixed support? Means all 6 degrees of freedom will be fixed. Means there is no movement in transitional, there is no movement in roller. Okay, we have 6 degrees of freedom now, 3 transitional, 3 rotatory, all are fixed, so that it's known as fixed support. You can see here the project is there and the state is fixed. State fixed means X transitional, Y transitional, Z transition is fixed. Similarly, rotation about X, about Y, about Z is fixed. If it is a roller support, a pinned support means X, Y, Z are fixed in the transition, and in rotation they all are free. The object going to be rotated by X, Y, Z. That is pinned support. Okay. Roller support means, see, Z is fixed, X and Y can move into direction, and all rotatory are free. This is known as roller support. Only Z is fixed. And user, now it's up to you. In which direction you want to release, in which direction you want to fix, we have that. And if you have spring coefficient, you can apply spring with spring modulus. Okay. So these all type of support we can apply. Now suppose I'm going to release or fix, X and Y fix, Z free. It's up to you. In which direction you wanna give free movement. Okay. And where you need to apply in a project. But in a project where we can apply it. And suppose I'm using fixed support right now. And where we can apply, we have 3 conditions here. See, the top. Point, line and area. If you have only point, you can click on this point. See, by using this point, where you want to say support, just click over there. I'm giving here support, fixed, fixed. Okay, like this you can give the support. So you can apply your supports. Where you want fixed. Somewhere you want roller support, pin support. So some portion I'm going, it's a roller support. See, like this we can apply a roller support. If you want to give on the line, so select line here and then can apply on the line. See, the distribution of support will be there. Multiple supports are present now. It means this full line will be fixed. Okay. Similarly, area. If you have complete area, like you have to plate this one. See, overall it is fixed. Sorry, pin support. Through pin support, it is applied. Okay. So like this, we can apply our point, line, and area supports. Hope it is clear. Yes. Okay. Now see. Next we have in the analyze load. First of all, you need to apply some loads. Then you can apply load cases or load combinations. Now, suppose first of all, we have to take it load cases. How many load cases are there? Through that, we can apply the loads. What is load cases? Means you want to choose which type of load is this. Okay. So you have to take in suppose dead load, live load, wind load. Any load you can apply here. But we can't use it properly. That's why we are using here dead load and live load first. Okay. Dead and live load. If you have some other loads, so you can add it here. See, by default here we have all. This is load cases. See that live, wind, snow, roof live, accidental, temperature, seismic. For a structure, we have only like right now we have only dead and live loads to apply. Similarly, if you apply some load cases, so here we have to apply some load combinations also, like one dead load plus 1.5 live load, or some calculation will be there. Let go load combination you can create. Okay, how many you have? Now I'm going to delete these all. First, we didn't require that. I'm going to remove them. Now we have support dead load and live load. Suppose I need to apply some dead load here. It is self support. So just okay. I'm going to apply here load. Just go to load and use it here. How many loads are there? Like where is placement? Okay, on where you want to place the loads at level 1 right now. At level 1 means in this portion you can apply. Okay, so which type of load you want to take? So see here we have point load, line load, and area load. Basically, generally we can use it point load, member load, and area load. Similarly, here if you have 3D model, so you can use here this one hosted point load, hosted line load, and hosted area load. This is a 3D model now, not a 2D model. So what we can do, we can use here hosted, line load, and area load. These all. Let's suppose I need to apply one point load here, hosted one. So you can see here the properties. fx, fy, and fz. So by default, it is applied on fz. Okay, that means downward direction. Minus means downward. Upward means plus. No movement is there. Okay, the movements are not here, 0, 0, 0. Now I need to change it by minus 10. So that is quite visible. Apply. Where do you want to apply? Suppose on this point I need to apply. See, it's a 1 point load on this. So like this, you can apply your loads, point load. Okay. If you have member load, then go for first set line load. Similar here, fx, fy, fz. These are the forces, and these are the movements against y, x, y, z. So I need to apply minus 10, but it is a universal load, means UDL, distributing load. But you want to change it by variable, so we go with variable also. One second, a system is closed by default. Hello.
Yes.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Okay, where were we? And the load support, no? So we have to go for 3D analytical again. And we can apply here loads. Okay, first I'm giving some supports here. So like this, you can apply supports. Similarly, we can apply here loads. Okay, so which type of load you are using here? Here we have all type of load cases in which you want to apply in dead load. So dead load we can use. How much you want to apply? Let's take minus 10 kilonewton and in these points. So we can easily apply. Okay. See, it is 2D point load. This is not placing properly. Okay, so what we can use here? It is a 3D model, na? So we can use here hosted point load. This is placed. See, 2D is not working here. This point load. If you are placing here live load, let's take one live load. In live load, you have to take how much? Let's suppose minus 10 kilonewton we are using here. And which type of load you are taking? The line load. You see, one more detail is available here. That is uniform load. It is a uniform load. We can apply it. See, like this, it is applied. Minus 10, sorry, it is minus 1. Take minus 10. This is also applied here. See, it is like this. Now you want, no, sir, I don't have uniform load. Then what to do? Then if you uncheck it, and then you can create here uh, varying load. That is, you can apply. See, all line having two values now. F1, FZ, FX1, FY1, FZ1, FX2, FY2, FZ2. We can apply it directly. Suppose F1 is minus 10 and F2 Z is minus 5. And now you can apply on it. See, it is linear varying load. So we can apply like this also. Okay. Clear? How we can apply the load? Similar if you want area hosted load, it is area load also. In this also we have only forces. No movement will be there. I need to apply on this area, in this area. See, the area is chosen by plates or floors or slabs. It is a basically floor load. So you can apply on the floor. How much it applied? Minus 1. I need suppose minus 5. Can apply on this. See, the area hosted load you can apply here. How much you want to apply? You can use, and in which load case you want to apply, you can. Okay. Any doubt, any problem in load cases, loads, how to apply it in Revit? Tell me. Hello.
No, no. My side is no.
Okay. Is easy to place. Similar, we have load cases. So I show you the properties are available here. this type of load you wanna apply. Okay, how much forces, how much movement you wanna give, you can apply there in particular load cases. Okay, similar here, some load combinations are there. If you want to create, you have factor value. See, when we are taking the load combinations now, so we have some values like both. Suppose we had dead load and live load, so we have to take some uh, combinations there, like zero point 0.9 into dead load plus zero point 0.9 into live load, then dead load plus live load, then 1.2 into live load plus 1.2 into dead load. Like this kind of combinations we need to create. That 0.9, 1.2, that are the factors. Okay, so we can add in there. If you want to add, you can apply there. So suppose we have one dead value. You want to create some combination here. Okay, ultimate chooses for all purpose. You can add it. It's not visible. They are applied. We can choose any type of combination. Okay. How much you want to take a factor, like suppose zero point 0.9 of dead load, and add one more. Suppose this is live load, and how much? Like in suppose 1.2 times. Like this, you can create your formula here. Okay, and add it here. So now we have new users one with combination. See here, zero point 0.9 of dead load plus 1.2 into live load. Clear? So like this, you can create your own combinations and add them to create it. There's no changes with this. Okay, like this, you can create your own combination. How much are required here? That all our predefined default values will be there. Let's take the same. Okay, no changes. Okay, if some supports are not clear now created, so you can adjust from here. Okay, these are the open ends. See, so go for analytical links and choose them to build it. Okay, if it is not joining properly, so you can use these analytical model tools to join them. If you want to reset again, click on it, so this is going to be reset. Similar supports, you can check here. The warning member support check is complete. No unsupported element detected. Clear? Like this, you can use your analytical model. How we apply the supports, loads, how to create the load cases if you didn't have. But by default, here we have all type of load cases. Okay, you apply the loads into that, and then we can create some load combinations Rest portion, what, how to use in it. So I show you in the YouTube how to use it. See, you can type here analysis in Revit structure. A simple video I show you. Any video you can take. Suppose this is a some type of structure. See, it is applied are here fixed supports. That is applied some loads, area load. Okay, see here. Now see, these tools are not available by default in the Revit structure. So you have to install that plugin, the structural analysis tool. So it is analyzed in the cloud or robot structural analysis. These are the different plugins for your Revit. Okay, you can download them and you can use for analysis purpose. It's taken your project to that cloud. There you can see it is going to structural analysis for Revit in analyze in cloud. Is check your structure first and take it to structure into the cloud. Cloud means AutoCAD 360 view. Okay. Now here you can select your which type of analysis you are using with gravity or static. Like this, you can use your which type of support you want to take. Self weight is the dead load. You can apply. Give the name to your analysis and give the name to your support its report, and then analyze it. Directly you get the report. See, this is online analysis. Autodesk 360. You get your report here. Okay, your view of your particular object. You can get see all the data, all results. You get it from here. All photographs, all type of see graphics. You can get it from Autodesk 360. If you want to see your analysis, so click on this analysis one. Now here you can see your project also. You can download your project. You want to see a PDF of it, you can see. This is complete report in PDF format. or you can see your 3D viewer also, where you can see your shear force diagram, bending moment diagram, and all. See, this is just select on that, and you can see your bending moment diagram in your structure. Clear? Easy. But for this, you need to install the plugin, the structural analysis for your Revit. Okay, get it? Any doubt? Any doubt? Any problem? Can we design also in Revit? What design? We already designed in Revit also, no? We design in Revit only.
Calculation he is asking, I guess.
Sorry,
Calculation part.
which kind of calculation part?
Is it Niranjan? CAD calculation? PBS. Bar bending schedule.
Parvin schedule, I told you in the last previous classes, na?
Yeah, he is asking.
Niranjan, I told you that already. You can see the recordings, previous recordings. Before last class. In last class, we are learning family part, na? Before that class, when I'm creating the schedules, legends, and the sheets. On that day, I'll tell you that. Any other doubt? Anyone? I told you this is a small class today. On the analytical model, we need to see. This is your Revit structure. Hope now you can create your complete structure. Now you have to do only one thing: practice and practice. Okay. Here the software is completed. Now, if you get your any doubt, you can ask me on that WhatsApp group. Whenever I'll free, I'll tell you what is the problem. Okay, I'm giving the solution.
Is this our last class?
Yes, all the things are done now.
Okay, then I have one doubt about output. When we are taking output, there are some settings for creating AutoCAD PDF, means Revit to AutoCAD and Revit to PDF.
No, directly said. You can export it. See, suppose you wanna export
In
your level one.
exporting. Hmm.
Here you have to go file
Hmm.
and publish it. Okay, you can use DWG or otherwise you can export from here. See, not publish, go to export. You can directly export to your AutoCAD file here, DWG, DXF, DGN in all formats. Okay. Similarly, you can export into DWF, DWFX also. Or you want to create some images, you can create images from here.
So, is there any CTP file for this means exporting these
Which
files
file?
to CTP file in AutoCAD, like we use no for creating PDF CTP file for line weight and coloring and other thing like that. In Revit, we have that kind of file.
No. CTP file is not there. Here you can convert this complete project into your CAD file. Then you can use anything.
So after Revit detailing, we always need to change, means use AutoCAD for all this correction of line color and other thing.
Line
Can we
color,
say it
line
in
color is
means
not into
center line
visibility
color?
graphics.
Yes, yes. Center line color in
See,
AutoCAD also come. If we use here
in
red color
AutoCAD you
will
are
be.
using layers. You are using layers in AutoCAD.
Yes, yes, yes.
For here, if you want to change into line type or line
Mhm.
color, so see,
Mhm.
color I told you in the visibility graphics.
Yes.
Okay, here you have supporting lines color.
Lines color.
Okay, like suppose column color you want to change,
Mhm.
foundation color you want to change. So you
Yes.
can change the line color. If you don't change into the solid one, na,
Mhm.
solid means pattern. If you want to change into line, you can use that one. If we are talking about sections, so in section you can change the color of line here and solid here. Okay, you can change it. Like suppose I want to see it, the foundation color here. I'm changing here. Like suppose red color. Apply. See, foundation color is now red.
Right.
If you want to change the type of line also,
Mhm.
then you have to go to modify. Here we have line type tools, line work, LW,
Mhm.
the shortcut. You can check it here and which type of line you want to take. A center line, hidden line, normal line, thin line, wide line. You can change the line type.
So when we change all this color and line type here, and when we export in
It is same
AutoCAD,
now.
it is visible in that
Huh,
also.
yes, yes.
No need to create any line type color, means other things we don't need
There you
to.
can, if you want to change the into the layers, then you
Mhm.
can. You have to change. Layers by default not created, na?
Because shall I show you one type of drawing? Means I have created many drawings in Revit also, but while
Hmm.
exporting, I'm
Hmm.
not getting means two different colors of layer I got in solid from concrete layer color.
Okay, now I'm exporting this file, huh? And try to open into CAD.
Here, select export setup. Here, anything we need to add, anything CTP or other thing.
You want to change? See here, layers we have available here, huh? Select export setup. So you can use it from here.
Here
Layers,
we
which
can
type of
modify
layer
our
you want to add?
layer type.
Yeah, you can add here. Lines, patterns. See which type of lines you want to see. You can add it here. This session export setup already here. See these all things we have. They all things are visible into your CAD also.
Mhm.
If you are using these all, na, you are using these type of layers. So
So
it
we
is
can
visible to
create
your
our
CAD also.
layer pattern here, and then we can export, no? New layer pattern. Here by default
Hmm,
it is
that
showing.
add. You
Okay.
can add it and modify. Na? You can
Yes, yes.
suppose in the structural foundation you want to add something.
Mhm.
Go into structural foundation. Here you can add it into this. How many columns? Sorry, customs are there? You can add from here. Work set, custom 1, custom 2, custom 3. Three modifiers are there. You can add up to these 5.
Mhm.
Set custom 1. Then this you can open. Add into this and then click on OK. Or similarly for line, pattern, text and font, color, solid, unit and coordinate, general, all things are available here in this
Mhm.
template. Click on OK and you can next or save your file. I'm saving it an electrical and changing into 13 in level 1. Okay, that is save. Now I'm going to open it because I have here 15 version. It is saved into electrical work sets, electrical engineering. Here we have level 1. This one. So maybe I am opening into structural. ना मेरे पास I don't have that normal AutoCAD. It is AutoCAD structural.
Okay, okay. I have
Click
exported
into the
in
layer.
my.
See here we have this layer. This is but it is open into that. You can change. We had different colors in it. See
Mhm.
this one, that color. So these all are about the types. Divisional cloud is different layer. Section is in different layer. Sorry, this is elevation. And these grades are in different color. See, these are the layers here. Beam color, column color, foundation color, grade line in red color, reinforcement bar is in purple color. Okay. So you, okay. All by default layers are there. You can see in your AutoCAD.
One more thing for spot
Hmm.
elevation. If I need
Sorry,
to for spot elevation
spot
in
elevation.
and I need to create different kind of spot elevation which are not found in this family standard family. So in which family file means which family file I can take to
No,
create
no, not
family
getting
for
you.
spot
See,
means
if it
to
is,
create spot elevation. If in this annotation there is not my kind of spot elevation is not available there. It is inbuilt Revit spot elevation. No, I
hmm,
want different kind of spot elevation. So I want to create that family. So in which family part I can create these spot elevations?
Here we have beam elevation, crosshair, no symbol, target. These all we have only. Yeah?
हाँ but I want मुझे मीन्स अलग टाइप का चाहिए स्पॉट एलिवेशन सपोज तो कौन सी फैमिली से क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा उसको
No, it is not a family portion. Na? If it is picked from family, so here we have some option to load family. If it is not there, no, we can't create it that. Which type of you want?
Can I share what kind of elevation and spot elevation type I want? Then you can
Here
tell
is
me,
green.
guide me. Okay. Is it visible?
Yes.
If I want circular spot elevation, and here we put TOF and also in its elevation also.
Simple symbol you want to place, na?
Yes, yes. But if I click on this floor plan, I want to get
Hmm.
here that elevation also. It is only text, but it is able to come like label also and elevation also. This one maybe it will get in Revit,
Yes.
but this
By
one.
using add leader and shoulder will be there.
I have that structure. In that we have shown that type of
You want text with label, na?
yes, yes. That was maybe that drawing name. I forgot which one was that.
Okay, she wants TOF and label merge in a circle.
Yes. Okay, I send you image on WhatsApp. What I want.
Okay.
Hmm?
She wants both the text, I guess. If you need,
I
I
was
can
having
search.
that drawing, but particularly name I forgot that name of file. That drawing I have created in Revit. Here I have created, but here I have placed only text and circle.
Okay.
Means annotation I have kept here. I will send you tomorrow.
Okay, sure. Now here, if you want to take, see in the edit type properties, it is rotated with component, leader, arrowhead. This type of you wanna take, you can change leader, line weight, color. Then you can apply text with underline, italic or bold, change the text size. Then unit format is in mm, and text orientation will be horizontal. Text location will be in line with leader. That option you want, na, that is not in the type of property. That is not available.
That's why I need to create that.
You can create, but
Yes, Varsha has sent me image of that elevation, spot elevation.
in the group.
Yes, yes. Here.
Any other doubt?
We will practice other thing and can it is possible if you means we will practice and send you our all doubt and you will take another lecture for clearing that.
Yeah, sure. But all should be there. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
For
Is it okay for
individual,
all or
for me it is not possible. Na?
okay?
So you all decide one date
Mm-hmm.
and time into the
Mm-hmm.
WhatsApp group.
Okay.
Okay. And then before that day, you have to practice all these things.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
If I'm free on that day,
Mm-hmm.
then or you can choose Sunday, even
Yes.
this weekdays, because weekdays I have the more classes now. Because right now,
Mm-hmm.
from next Monday I have another classes from the same 8:30 time. That is can't be possible to take that lecture, na.
Mm-hmm.
So choose any Sundays or holiday. So in afternoon we can take. Hmm?
Mm-hmm. Is
Okay.
anyone other means we two are ready for that, but
Mhm.
other people.
Discuss on WhatsApp group. Huh?
Okay.
Any other doubt you can ask me.
Till now, no doubts, but
Yes.
after practicing, we'll get more.
Mm.
Okay then. Okay then. Good night.
Yeah.
Good
Good
night.
night. Thank you.
Bye. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.